Crazy for trying. Back with the Bean Gourmet and the greatest little bean cookbook in the world. And now we're going to cook you a little dinner.
Yes, we're going to cook spaghetti squash with kidneys. Take a look at this. Isn't this beautiful?
Spaghetti squash with
kidneys.
Oh,
yes.
Yes.
This is the building block. Let me show everyone here. This is the spaghetti squash. All right, this is what we're going to build our recipe from. This originated in Italy. Later on, the Japanese refined it to what we call our spaghetti squash today. All we do is we boil a spaghetti squash, Regis, for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Make sure the water is cool, by the way, before you put your hand in.
Yeah.
You just take it out and watch this. You just put this through like this. Yeah, no problem. No problem. I've done this once before. And you just open that up. You would just kind of clean this out now, Regis.
Yeah.
Now, take a fork, Regis. Take a fork, and watch what happens. We're going to comb it. Watch what happens. Comb it. Comb it. Look at the spaghetti that forms.
Yeah.
Look how that forms the spaghetti, you guys.
Yeah.
4 cups of spaghetti. Next thing we do is we simply put our spaghetti in the bowl like this. 4 cups of spaghetti squash.
Do I hear somebody singing an ode to us?
You know it's true.
Yes, I do. I hear something.
Isn't that nice? People are singing about beans all over America.
Yes, it's wonderful. Everyone's joining the crusade.
That's it.
It's great. Now,
Everybody wants to be with the beans.
Regis, we'll take one
That sounded good. Keep it going.
We'll take 1.5 cups of kidney beans, and we'll just dump that in with it, and we'll just spin that around a little bit.
Okay.
Along with, how about some pasta sauce? Use your
Pasta
favorite
sauce, coming
That's
up.
1 cup of pasta sauce. Just put it in here, Regis. Isn't this a beautiful recipe? And doesn't it smell great?
Oh, it
How
smells.
about a little bit of cilantro? How about a teaspoon of cilantro and a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder? This is the simplest recipe. Anyone can make this recipe.
Very healthy, too.
Absolutely. Now, what you want to do is you'll simply want to just cook this down a little bit till it's completely heated through. Do you see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the spaghetti squash? How that just flakes off? And believe me, or I'm telling you, there's no calories in this spaghetti.
Good.
Absolutely not. After it boils down, it's like this. Isn't that beautiful? That's it. All you do now is simply take a little Parmesan cheese and you just sprinkle it on top. Okay? Sprinkle a little in there. And we'll just taste it.
Keep singing. What kind of backup singers are you?
What do you think?
Oh,
Isn't it great?
it's very good, Tommy.
Thank you, Regis. Thank you. Thank you.
We've been kidding around here, but there are great recipes right here in this great little bean cook. We'll be back in a moment with Paulie and Colin. Thank you, Tommy.